Ikoyi is a neighborhood that is steeped in a rich history of exclusivity that has shaped it to become one of the most valuable neighborhoods in the city of Lagos. Today, I'm proud to showcase to you this ultra-modern, sleek, 5-bedroom smart house located in this prestigious neighborhood. As you walk out from your bedroom onto this massive rooftop terrace, you're met on all sides with a panoramic view of some dazzling high-end developments and some relaxing foliage. The developers had a vision to create a home that offered up an ultra-modern exterior design, impeccable interior finishing, and incorporate all that with world-class facilities to create that dream home that you've been looking for. And in just a couple months, that dream home stands to be a reality, and it stands to be yours. This stunning ultra-modern home offers up a sauna, a panic room, fitted air conditioners, 2 walk-in closets, parking space for 8 cars, a swimming pool, fully fitted kitchen, double volume living room, 2 family lounges, an inverter, a cinema, a study room, a gym, a private elevator, and a sound system that covers the whole house. Located in central Ikoyi, this home is surrounded on all sides by first-class hotspots that make sure you're minutes away from the best that Ikoyi has to offer. You need to understand that a home this amazing has to have a price tag that matches its value. And this 5-bedroom house located in Old Ikoyi is going for 950 million naira. My name is Felicia of Albert and Wand, and if you're looking to be the proud owner of this amazing house, give us a call with the number that appears on the screen right now. And also check us out on social media and our website to stay updated on all the best properties in the city of Lagos. Have a great day and take care.